Alright, we're trying to solve the equation log of 3x minus 5 is equal to 2. So one of the first things you notice here is that there is no base down here. So it's understood that that base must be 10. And since we're trying to get to x by itself, and x is inside the logarithm, we're going to switch this over to an exponential. So that's why it's really important to know what this base is. So that'll be 10 to the 2, or 10 squared, equals 3x minus 5. So 10 squared is 100, equals 3x minus 5. Bring the 5 over, so we'll add 5, so that'll be 105 equals 3x. Then we're going to divide by the 3. So dividing by the 3, 105 divided by 3 is 35. Okay. So x being 35. And once again, we should probably come back up here and make sure that this doesn't cause a problem. So when x is 35, that gives me 35 times 3, which is 105 minus the 5, gives me a positive number. So what do? We added 5 on both sides, and we divided by 3 on both sides. All right, thank you.